My name's Imran, and I've had cystic acne for several years, and it started in my early 20s, and it's impacted my life in certain ways as shattering my confidence and definitely changing the lifestyle that I wanted to live at the time. I went on 2 courses of Roaccutane, both recommended by different specialists at different points of time, and for me, I wouldn't want to go through that again. So I'm excited to find a drug-free solution. And I think that something like AviClear is going to provide the answers that I need. For me, just the whole journey of going through it all it was quite confronting, because with cystic acne, you actually get large cysts across your jawline and on your cheek, which fill up, and then eventually they pop and you get blood and everything coming out. And having that in my early 20s was, probably the worst time, because when you should be out socializing and spending time with friends and, doing things like going out for drinks, I was taking multiple tablets a day. My skin was dry, my lips were dry, and, mood swings, and you're not allowed to drink, and it definitely alters your lifestyle. And I'm looking for a solution that can allow me to continue the lifestyle that I want to live, whilst, being able to treat the issue that I have. The industry that I work in is quite social. We're very face-to-face, and we spend a lot of time speaking with people. So to have something that hampers you and hampers your confidence, it definitely takes away what you're trying to do on the day-to-day. So to have a solution like AviClear that could clear my skin and allow me just to not even think about it ever again, that's the answer for me.